For this lesson, we're going to continue reviewing our multiplication strategies. You can also use the strategies we've learned with larger factors, bigger numbers. Sadie uses a multiplication strategy to solve 5 times 12. This is her strategy. So as you can see, 12 is a bigger number. It's a bigger number than we usually use, but she can do it. Look at this. This is what she does. So basically, they want us to write down what her strategy was. As you can see, she took the 12. 12 is an even number, so we can use doubling. Remember the doubling where we cut it in half? So she cut 12 in half and made it 6 and 6. Then she said 5 times 6 and 5 times 6 equals 30. Then she took 30 and 30 and added them together. So now she knows that 5 times 12 is 60. So basically right here, you are going to type the strategy, and I'm just going to go, or write the strategy right here. So I would write, she used doubling. I would write, she split 12 into 6 and 6. She multiplied 5. Where's the times? Times 6. 5 times 6 got 30. So 30 plus 30 equals 60. So now she knows that 5 times 12 is 60. That's how she did it. So using a different strategy, solve 5 times 12, use drawings, words, or numbers to show your thinking. So over here, you're going to continue. I'm going to go ahead and do the writing. So I am going to, now I'm not going to use doubling because they want us to use a different strategy. So I'm going to use the break apart method. That's what I've chosen. So I am going to go ahead and draw my picture, and here is my picture. And so I am going to put 5 over here and times 12 over here. Instead of using doubling and cutting it in half, I'm going to cut it into, let's see, I'm going to cut it into 5 and 7 because I know that 5 plus 7 is 12. So I'm going to go ahead and put 5 times 5 over here is, what is that? 25, right? And then over here, I'm going to put 7 times 5 because I've cut the 12 into 5 and 7. So now I just have to multiply the 7 by 5, and that equals 35. So then I will just add those. So I'm going to add 25 plus 35. Add those together, up and down. 5 plus 5 is 10. Carry the 1. And 3 plus 2 is 5. And 1 more is 6. So that means I have figured out that 5 times 12 equals 60. I used a different strategy, but I got the same answer. I used this one, I used the break apart strategy, and up here they used the doubling strategy. So you can use different strategies and still get the same answer.